Amidst the lush green landscape of Juban, Sorsogon, you'll find a relaxing oasis that feels almost magical. TANGKE Nature Spring. Hey guys, Gorshano here, and today's travel vlog is on my recent visit to TANGKE Nature Spring. Located just under 2 hours from Legazpi City and a little over 30 minutes from Sorsogon City, the drive was not that bad considering the overall well-paved and wide roads of Sorsogon. The best and most accurate place to input on your GPS would be Bacolod Elementary School, as the entrance to TANGKE Nature Spring is literally right beside it. And keep in mind that four-wheel vehicles cannot fit on the cement path to the Nature Spring, however motorcycles can. There are habal-habals available for 50 pesos each, one way, and you can have them pick you up at your desired time. Or you can have a 15-minute walk that has parts with moderate to steep inclines. I strongly recommend just taking a habal-habal since the kuyas were really nice. For those that don't know what a habal-habal is, it's basically a motorcycle for hire in which, depending on its configurations, can carry up to 6 people. But don't worry, it's only 1 passenger per motorcycle here. And remember to hold on tight and enjoy the scenery. Welcome to TANGKE Nature Spring. Upon arrival, there is an entrance fee of 35 pesos per person and cottages available for rent. They have Video Cinco karaoke, beverages, and some food available for purchase at reasonable prices. They also have a banlawan or wash area for after your swim, but I just want to share that I forgot to rinse my swimwear before heading to the hotel, but once I got to the hotel later that evening, there was no fishy smell from my clothes. The water was really that clean and fresh that it didn't leave an odor that you typically get from swimming in a pool or ocean. The nature spring was on the cooler side, with some areas of the spring that seemed to have warm water seeping out from the rocks, which created a comfortable water temperature. Overall, I had such a relaxing and memorable experience, and I recommend you guys visit this place soon. Thanks for watching. For more travel, food, and lifestyle content, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And be sure to check out all my social media. Till next time.